Welcome to a Draw With Me video where I show you how I painted the dragon in a flower field. I started with my Acryla Gouache and spreading them out on a clean palette, and then I tried to do like an underpainting and also like a background with this yellow. I think this is just to not be afraid that much of the white of the paper, so it feels better if there's a little color. Here you can see how I try to mix these two together. And then I started with some plain colors like this yellow, and as I finished them I put a secondary color where the shadows had to be, and I didn't use the cold color like for the shadows. I just toned it a little darker with a bright color like a yellow or orange, so that we have a nice warm and summery flower field. Like here you can see it's just the plain orange, and later on I will add some darker orange. I started with the flowers in the background, and then I did the ones in the foreground. Actually I did them on another day. So here's a new nice palette where I spread some colors again, and I started painting the foreground. I actually regretted this a little bit because the next step was actually to paint the dragon. It would be a little better, I would guess, but there are actually no rules what to paint first. I often see artists painting the main object, like in my painting it would be the dragon. I see them painting the object first and then do the background, so this is also perfectly fine. But what I like is to cover up some things from the background, like when you are not drawing that accurate. Here you can see me drawing the pink flowers. I had like a little concept of having most of the rounded flowers like pink, and the other ones that look like tulips yellow. I thought this was a nice color combination. And now I'm starting to paint the dragon. Actually, I painted this piece in December. I think I started in December. So it was winter, it was cold, and I really needed some flowers and some positive thinking about the summer and spring. So I came up with this idea, as 2024 is the year of the dragon, and I really liked the little dragon figure, and I wanted to put some colors on paper. And after all the colors dried, I picked up some pencils to deepen the image. I'm not that good with painting with colors like gouache, so I really need some pencils to paint in some details and yeah, just deepen it. I noticed that I forgot some parts like the stars and the middle part of the flowers, and then added some highlights with this neon color. I think at this point I didn't know what I wanted to do. Yeah, I'm also putting in some shadows with this light lilac. I know it's a little cold color for the shadow, but I thought it would be very nice with the light pink flowers, so I just did that. And after adding more details with a darker color, I think you can see the dragon very clearly. And then it's just back and forth with different colors, adding some little marks that I really like to have in my images. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. And if you like it very much, I also have a print of it in my shop. See you next time. Bye.